Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got you a beast today. Meet the Nitecore HC75 UHE, a 3000 lumen headlamp that might just be the Iron Man suit for your forehead. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. This is the HC75 UHE. UHE stands for ultra high efficiency, but I like to think of it as ultra hardcore explorer, because this thing is built for tough work and adventure. With 3000 lumen max output that can reach up to 209 yards, and a dedicated zoom button for stepless zoom, it's never been easier to switch from spotlight to floodlight. It's rechargeable, water and dust proof, impact resisting up to 2 meters, and can run up to 84 hours. Whether you work in construction or you're knee deep in DIY project, or just need a solid headlamp for late night garage tinkering, this headlamp does not mess around. It's a well-thought design with 2-button operation. Each button has a different shape and texture, so you can easily change the setting while it's on your forehead. A dedicated zoom button for stepless zoom to easily switch from spotlight to floodlight. So whether you want to focus on subject in the distance using the spotlight or light up your surrounding using the floodlight, it's just a press of a button. The mixed light mode of spotlight and floodlight is great for general uses, while the spotlight is great for search and rescue. Floodlight is great for close range lighting or side lighting. Now let's see this bad boy in action. The first thing you need to know, it's offering 3 lighting modes: spotlight, floodlight, and mix of both. The turbo mode is 3000 lumen with 209 yards throw. This one is a mix of spotlight and floodlight only and can run for 4 hours and 30 minutes.
High is available in all 3 lighting options.
High mode is 1500 lumen and 7 hours and 15 minutes of runtime.
Medium is available in all 3 lighting options.
Mid mode is 600 lumen and can run for 12 hours.
Low is available in all 3 lighting options.
Low mode is 200 lumens and can run for 32 hours. The ultra low mode is 40 lumen. This one is floodlight only and can run for 84 hours. We also have SOS mode, 1500 lumens, and a beacon mode, also 1500 lumens. But that's not it, because we have a red light mode as well, to make sure that you will be seen no matter what. The high mode is 30 lumen and can run for 41 hours. And the low mode is 5 lumen and can run for 73 hours. And the slow flashing red light is 30 lumens. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the HC75 UHE, a storage case, a big 5500 mAh battery, USB Type-C charging cable, top strap, and a spare O-ring. It has a massive 5500 mAh battery that allows you to run for over 3 days on the lowest setting. And it can be fully charged in a little over 2 hours, thanks to its fast charging USB Type-C charge port. And you can easily know how much juice left by pressing the zoom button while the headlamp is off. The blue battery indicator in the front will light up. And the cool thing about it, you can use it while it's charging. Whether having the carbon battery 6K to double the use time, or using the MB20000 to quadruple the use time, the sky is the limit to what you can achieve. It's not the lightest headlamp, but it's built like a tank. This thing weighs a little over 7 ounces, with a breathable anti-slip headband to keep you cool, and a detachable top piece for the ultimate comfortability. It also has a reflective print to make sure that you're visible at night. Rated IP68 water and dust proof, and drop resisting up to 2 meters. Tilt to pull upward and downward to make sure that you get the light exactly where you need it. With a 2-way to protect it from turning on by accident, on top of the 2-button lockout, when you tilt it upward, the button will be hidden under a protective guard. And now for the operation guide. You've got dual button interface, super responsive. To turn it on, press the power button and it will start on the low mode, and it will be on the mixed spotlight and floodlight output. After 3 seconds of no activation, you could turn it off simply by pressing the power button. But if you want to turn it off within 3 seconds of turning it on, you'll have to press and hold the power button for half a second. To cycle through the other power output, you'll have to press the power button within 3 seconds after turning the headlamps on, and you'll switch from low to mid to high and back to low again. You can also change the brightness output from mix, spotlight and floodlight to spotlight only or floodlight only by pressing the zoom button. But if you press and hold the zoom button, you will get a stepless adjustment of spotlight to floodlight output ratio. Release the button to confirm. To get the turbo mode while the light is on, double press the power button. This mode is mixed only, floodlight and spotlight. And for the ultra low mode, while the headlamp is off, double press the power button, and this one is floodlight only. For the special mode, double press the zoom button. This one will get you the SOS mode, and by pressing the power button within 3 seconds, you can switch between beacon mode and slow red flashing mode and back to SOS. For the red light mode, while the headlamp is off, long press the zoom button and it will start on the low. To switch to the high mode, press the power button within 3 seconds of turning the headlamps on. To lock it out, while the headlamp is off, press both the power and the zoom button for 2 seconds. And to unlock, press both buttons for 2 seconds again, and the headlamp will start on ultra low. Here's my thought about the Nitecore HC75 UHE. If you're looking for a professional grade beast, a high lumen headlamp with the flexibility of both floodlight and spotlight options, and the ability to seamlessly switch between them with a press of a button, thanks to its electric zoom button. It's also durable, rechargeable, water and dust proof. At a first look, you may think it's uncomfortable or very heavy, but honestly, it surprised me how comfortable it is. The Nitecore HC75 UHE is a solid buy. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.